Hello, I'm John Taylor, Managing Director at Process Instrument Solutions. We've been working with Labom for many years, a company we have a great rapport with, and they're well known for their innovations, and we have a great one to share with you today. The REconnect is a coupling device for simple and safe decoupling and recoupling of diaphragm seal systems, including process connections and measuring devices. It's operated by a special lock, makes it safe and leakage-free decoupling of diaphragm seals and systems possible without affecting the oil volumes that are in the assembly. This means that the process no longer has to be open to replace or calibrate measuring instruments because the diaphragm seal remains connected to the process. It's suitable for all applications, whether in the pharmaceutical industry, food industry, or in the chemical industry. It can also be used in plant and machinery engineering. REconnect consists of two parts, one fitted to the measuring device, the other to the process connection. And with the aid of a special lock, they are easily separated. The lock is detachable and can be retained separately so the REconnect cannot be operated accidentally or by unauthorized persons. After separation, the two parts of the coupling are each closed with covers made of stainless steel to protect the measuring instrument and the diaphragm seal. The fast coupling is vacuum proof and has no parts that can be lost. If you'd like to know how the REconnect could work in your application, please follow the link either on our website, or a member of our sales team will be more than happy to come and demonstrate the product that suits your application. Thank you.